everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another DIY, or maybe DIY and how to, because I'm going to need some help trying to do this. So I am in my bathroom right now. I am putting the last minute touches on all of my bathroom decor. And I have like this toilet room where I have this big open white wall that I wanted to put a nice picture. I thought about putting a picture of Marilyn putting on her lipstick because it's my bathroom. So I thought that that would be a nice little, you know, touch to my old Hollywood glam decor that I have going throughout the house. So what I have in my mind is a picture of Marilyn in black and white in a mirrored frame. I have been looking all around town and I cannot find a frame that has mirror around it this large to go in this toilet room. So what I've done is I was in Home Goods just recently and they have a lot of different size mirrors. I want to use one of those mirrors from Home Goods, cut out the center of it, put some glass and some type of backing and make that a frame. It's an idea. Maybe I can make it come to life. So I've contacted one of the local mirror shops around my area and he said to go ahead and bring in the mirror that I purchased with the picture and he would see what he would do. So I'm going to take you guys on the ride with me and we're going to go and see if he can make this idea come to life. Okay guys, so I am at Creative Art and Mirror Design and I have John here. He's going to be helping me. So John, this is what I have. Okay. I have this picture of Marilyn Monroe that I purchased.
Okay, we got some of these right here.
Alright.
Let's see what we're working with. What we have. Alright.
So what I have in my mind is I've been looking all over for large mirrored frames and I haven't been able to find any.
Understood.
So what I've done is I went to Home Goods and I purchased this large mirror.
Okay.
So I have this large mirror.
Gotcha.
And what I would like is I would like to make this into a frame. So I don't know if like we can cut out the center of this and put some glass and maybe like a wood backing or some type of cardboard or something on the back.
Yeah.
And then turn this into a frame. Is that possible?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, we can definitely do that for you. Yeah, we'll take out the mirror here. First of all, we also obviously we have to take off, you know, the backing and stuff like that, and we'll pop the mirror out. And you want to lay this image inside the middle here, right?
Right.
Correct? Yeah.
So I don't know if like the image needs to be cut at all. It's pretty much like true to size.
Okay, let me see. Yeah, 24 by 36 poster, which is on the money. Exactly. 24, 36. And then here is going to be 24 by 36 as well. So yeah, we shouldn't really have to, we might have to cut a little bit.
Okay.
To be able to put the print on top.
Okay.
But not much. So yeah, it's doable.
Okay,
Yeah,
awesome. So how long does something like this
It usually takes, since you know the frame's already made, we have the print, what we'll do is we'll mount the print so it gets rid of any like imperfections or wrinkles or stuff like that. Most of them.
Okay.
And so probably looking at like 3 to 5 days tops.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turnaround time, so we'll take it apart, assemble, and then we'll give you a call as soon as it's ready.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. All right. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay guys, so it's been a few days now. I just got my finished product. So this is the mirror from Home Goods that I had turned into a frame. It is beautiful. I love it. As you can see, they cut out the center of the mirror and they put the photo, they put a little glass and the backing on the back. So I've hung this up in my bathroom. I absolutely love it. It goes with all of my other decor, which you can see in my bathroom reveal video that I will be posting next week. And I just want to give a special thank you to John from Creative Art and Mirror Design. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I absolutely love this. I will be getting more pieces by him in the near future. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, so I'm here at the local mirror and art. Nope. See?
Art and finger.
No, I'm just like, here, I made it. I made it, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm here at the local Mirror and Art Design.
Art and Mirror. It's called Creative Art and Mirror Designs, but it's
Okay.
Should I write it down and then hold it up here?
I got it.
Art and Mirror Gallery.
I got it.
Local Art and Mirror Gallery.
I got it.
In Rancho.
Creative Art and Mirror Design.
Exactly.